Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we start, if you like the content, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to the problem. So today, we're going to talk about the split two strings to make palindrome problem on Leetcode. Let's take a look. So you are given two strings A and B of the same length. Choose an index and split both strings at the same index. Splitting A into two strings, A prefix and A suffix, where A equal to A prefix plus A suffix. And splitting B into two strings, B prefix and B suffix, where B equal to B prefix plus B suffix. And then we want to check if A prefix plus B suffix or B prefix plus A suffix form a palindrome. So basically you split into two and then just use the front part from A, the back part from B, or front part from B and back part from A. And you can do the split by having empty string and the whole string as well. So okay. Just return true if it's possible to form a palindrome string. Okay, yeah. So let's see example. This x and y is easy because x you can split empty x and then empty y. So you either get x or y, which also both of them are palindrome. The second example would be a, b, d, e, f and f, e, c, a, b. So it looks like if we split to let's see, A, B, and then it's going to be D, E, F, and then we have C, E with the C, A, B. So the F, E, D, E, F here. So F, E from B and D, E, F. So we get the F, E, D, E, F is a palindrome. Okay, so let's look at the code how I solve this problem. So this question actually need to do in two parts. The first part, we want to know that if we can traverse from the beginning of one string A and the second the end from the end of the second string B, if it's the same characters, we know that this is potentially can be a palindrome, right? And if we move it, let's using two pointers from the first one and the last one. So in this case, we compare A with B, so we know that this is not gonna work for sure. But if we swap it, we start the first B instead, so F, and the end of A is F, so it's good. The next one is E, and the next one is E here, so it's still good. And then we reach the point where C and D is not the same. But we can still not make a decision. We need to know that, okay, if the rest, the thing in between also palindrome, that means we are good. So we got the palindrome. We can build the palindrome from there. So let's take a look at the code. So what I just explained is in the do work function here. So we start with I equal to 0 and j is the a dot length minus 1. So we have a and b. So we just go while a is less than or equal to j. So we're moving from the start and the end, moving in toward each other. So if ai equal to bj, we're going to increment I and decrement j. If it's not the same anymore, we're going to break, and then we're going to check if it's palindrome. But you can see here, we need to do check on both ends, say both A and B, because we could use on the A as the prefix or B as a prefix, so we need to do both. And in the check palindrome is super simple. Check palindrome function is just checking that if while start less than n, it must be equal all the way until it's not until start greater than n, basically, right? And it's return true. So that's simple checking for palindrome. And when we want to return, we need to do two of them. Like do work, gonna input A and then B. Also do work with B and then A. Because like I said, we need to try moving as use A as a start or B as a start. But do work do only one thing. So we need to do both way, A, B, and B, A. So it's very simple if you know like this kind of algorithm that how to solve this kind of problem. You just need to do both way and writing the simple code here. So let's try submitting the code. Oh, it's actually pretty fast. It's 22 and it used just 6.59% of the memory. So it's pretty good in terms of memory because you can see that we don't use anything fancy at all. Maybe it could be improved somewhere, but I might have missed it. But let me know in the comment if you know how to improve this code. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.